Hi there, welcome back to FalinksTCG, and in today's video we have 2 packs from the new McDonald's promotion of 2023. I have been away for quite some time. I've been recovering from some sort of flu-y cold thing. We have Lucky Phalanx here to help us with the pack luck as always, but let's get into it. Okay, we've got these opened up, and inside you get 1 booster pack, 1 card, which I think is to do with scanning the QR code and it makes the thing come to life. I don't know. And we've got 1 with Titan on, and we have 1 with Fuecoco on. And you get these sort of rule books, which is pretty nice. Then you get, I think this is the coin. Okay, so I think it's going to be like the last few years, where the hollow's going to be facing the front. The hollow's going to be the first card. Oh. Very nice pack artwork, made of paper, which is good because less environmental waste. Yep, we did it right. So we have Curlier, but if you look down here, it has the M23, which I assume means McDonald's 23, you know, for 2023, the current year. We have Curlier, Tandemouse, Sandaconda. Ooh. And we have a really nice looking Quaxley with the signature McDonald's pattern, the hollow pattern. Looks really quite nice actually. We'll pop you over there next to Quaxley. So I think the card trick is 1 to the back for these, unless you want to just know what you're going to get. Oh, I forget which ones can be hollows in this set. I really quite like how the hollow pattern actually goes to the edges, much like how we've had with the recent change in hollow patterns for the Scarlet and Violet sets. So we have Sotodle, we have Poor Me, which is a really nice card. So there's 15 cards in the set total. We have Kilowattrel, and hey, we've got the Pikachu. This is a really nice hollow pattern again, and it's by the artist Okacheke. Really quite nice. We'll sleeve that up. Now, as you might have noticed, this was uploaded on a day which I normally don't upload. But I just thought I'd get this out there for everyone. So, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, if you liked the video, to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. This is FalinksTCG. Goodbye.